Hello, my name is Ken Novenstern from Fredman Baken and Novenstern in Mount Kisco and White Plains, New York. And I thought it would be helpful for someone considering divorce and someone anticipating custody and access issues to understand why the collaborative law or mediation process is far better than litigation when it comes to resolving issues relating to custody and access. In the collaborative law process, you have a mental health professional involved called a family specialist. And from day one, at the beginning of the process, you can start working on any and all issues relating to the parents, relating to the children, to try and develop and structure a settlement of all issues relating to custody and access, one that takes into consideration what's most important for your family. However, if you consider going through the litigation process, you will find out that the litigation process does not really take into consideration what's most important for your family. And in cases that I currently have, there are attorneys being appointed for children. If the children are not on the same page as to what they would like with respect to custody, then it's possible that each child will have to have their own attorney at an increased cost. If the parties cannot work out custody after a period of time, the court may come to the conclusion that there has to be a forensic evaluator, and that's a psychologist or a psychiatrist who undertakes evaluations of the children, the parties, and the cost of those evaluations can easily be $20,000 to $30,000. And those evaluations aren't even binding upon a judge. It's just more of a recommendation for the judge. So between the attorneys for the children, between the fact that the parents have to claim or make allegations against the other parents, the litigation process tends to be alienating. It tends to do the most damage to the family versus the collaborative law process where your interests and concerns, the children's interests and concerns are being taken into consideration, and ultimately the outcome is your outcome. It's not something being decided by a judge. It's not something being foisted upon you. So if you have questions concerning custody and access in collaborative law or in litigated matter, please reach out. Again, my name is Ken Novenstern, 914-997-9070. Take care.